Sky Harbor. The entire west end of Terminal 4 shut down until just seconds ago.
Yeah, police have been investigating a suspicious item. Jason Valentine is live at the airport tonight. Jason, tell us, what is it looking like inside that terminal?
Well, we actually just sprinted all the way down to the west end because they just opened it up. And let me show you, this is the suspicious item. It was a bag that was abandoned here in the middle of the aisle, right outside the A gates in Terminal 4. Police had, obviously they took everything out of the bag to take a look at it. And I want to show you a little video that we shot while the investigation was still going on, if you will.
The threat of unattended baggage system in the public space is the big concern that demands our utmost attention and action. The recent incident that the false bomb alarm near the Jalan Telawi in year 2021 and the distressing bomb threat at the Mid-Valley Mall in Johor Bahru in 2023 serve as the stark reminders of the destructive consequences such situation can have on the public safety, property, and life. I'm Sean, a final year student from USM. I'm stand before you today to present a groundbreaking solution, AI-enabled smart surveillance for an unattended baggage detection system. They leverage the power of AI to revolutionize unattended baggage detection and surveillance.
While existing solutions aim to address this issue, there are the critical limitations and challenges that must be overcome. First, existing solutions often struggle with the accuracy when detecting the small bags and luggage in the busy, real-world settings through the CCTV footage. We need a deep learning model specifically designed to excel at detecting smaller objects. However, detecting baggage in the single frame is not enough. We must continuously track these items over time, which the current static detection methods couldn't provide. So integrating with the cutting-edge tracking algorithm is crucial for the precise and reliable unattended baggage detection. Finally, even if we can detect the unattended baggage, most systems today lack a real-time alert dashboard. This means the security teams couldn't respond quickly across different areas and cameras, hindering the effective security operations. To address these problems, our project aims to achieve two objectives. First, develop an unattended baggage detection model by enhancing the YOLOv8 for the small object detection using the techniques like space-to-depth convolution and giraffe depth, integrating the advanced tracking algorithms like OC-sort, and implementing an unattended baggage time violation algorithm to flex the bags left unattended beyond a set duration. Second, create a real-time dashboard website to display the detection results, allowing the security teams to respond quickly to the potential threats. This project has two system modules under the hood. First is an unattended baggage module, and second is a visualization dashboard module. So for the first module, we leverage the AI models for the baggage detection, pose estimation, tracking, and time variation algorithms to identify the unattended baggage accurately. We are building a real-time dashboard website for the second module that integrates with the AI models mentioned just now. So it processes the incoming baggage image and displays real-time detection results, empowering the security personnel to take immediate action. Let me walk you through our system architecture. First up is the unattended baggage detection model, powered by two AI workhorses. A modified YOLOv8 using the modified architecture with the state-of-the-art deep learning techniques like the SPD convo and the giraffe depth for the small baggage detection from CCTV views. And the YOLOv8 Pose Estimation model to access the bag ownership through the hand wrist tracking, which I will explain more later. Although these models will be packed into a real-time inference endpoint using the fast API and Docker. For the video processing, we leverage the OpenCV and Python, integrating our AI models and the box MOT state-of-the-art tracking algorithm to detect and track the unattended bags accurately. Once detected, the results are saved into our backend, a Django framework with the MongoDB storage and a Redis for the WebSocket connectivity to our front end. Finally, our front end, built with the swap kit and the Tailwind CSS, empowers the security personnel with real-time unattended bag alert through the WebSockets, enable the swift action to mitigate the potential threats. The unattended baggage detection module is the most crucial part of this project. To make it work, we need several AI components. First, we modify our baseline YOLOv8 architecture to improve the small baggage detection. Among all the modifications made, the combination of YOLOv8 and space-to-depth convolution or SPD convo gives the highest F1 score and MAP50 value. The SPD convo is a novel building block that replaces the shredded convolution and pooling layers to retain the detailed information and improve the feature learning for small object detection. It improves the baggage detection model precision by around 9%. Second, we use the baseline YOLOv8 Pose Estimation model to detect the person present and the hand and wrist movements to access the bag ownership. This pre-trained model is sufficient for our system. Lastly, we use the OC sort tracking algorithm to track the baggage and the bag's owners. Now, let me explain how our unattended baggage time violation algorithm uses the above mentioned AI models. First, we need to define what is considered unattended baggage. In our system, baggage is considered unattended if it is left by its owner and not reclaimed within 10 minutes. We check for overlaps between the person handwrist and the baggage bounding box using the pose estimation and the baggage detection models to associate the baggage with its owner accurately. The individual whose hands overlap with the baggage will be identified as the owner. Next, let's discuss how the unattended time counting is triggered. When the owner is not detected for more than 5 minutes after leaving the area while their associated bag remains, the unattended time counting for the bag will be initiated for 10 minutes. If the owner does not return and the bag remains on the scene during this period, it will be flagged as unattended and the program will send the detection result to the dashboard. To enhance the system robustness, we also account for the possibilities of the baggage owner intentionally transferring the baggage to another individual on the scene before leaving. To tackle this, we have introduced an additional rule. If another person's handwrist overlaps with the baggage bounding box within 3 seconds after the previous owner no longer overlaps, the system will assign this person as the new baggage owner. This rule helps prevent the false positives by ensuring the baggage is only flagged when all the owners have left the scene. Our AI power system revolutionized the public safety by accurately detecting the unattended baggage in real time. And it also automates the threat identification and responds beyond the manual surveillance capabilities. So the user-friendly dashboard provides the security personnel with actionable insights and streamlined protocols. Enhancing YOLOv8 with the cutting-edge techniques and advanced tracking algorithms ensure the reliable monitoring with the minimized false alarms. So this innovative architecture transforms groundbreaking research into a practical, high-impact solution driving progress in the AI security. It showcased the AI potential in addressing the complex challenges, setting a new standard for leadership that will impact public space worldwide. So this project is the blueprint for the future AI-powered security system that contribute positively to the society. Our AI-powered unattended baggage detection system is a game-changing entrepreneurial opportunity in the security industry. Its robust design, high accuracy, user-friendly interface, and innovative AI approach combined with a scalable software-as-a-service model position it to capitalize on the soaring market demand. The flexible platform allows for expansion into adjacent domains, unlocking multiple revenue streams. Our solution can set a new standard and influence regulations, offering powerful brand recognition and sustain competitive advantage. Our product addresses the critical public safety needs and generates a significant interest from malls, airports, and transportation authorities. This venture is assured to revolutionize security while redefining the success metrics and establishing our system as an industry leader. Now, let's proceed with our project demo. For your information, we have adjusted the unattended time counting accordingly for the demo's purpose. Let's start with the unattended baggage detection. As you can see, a person is carrying a bag on the scene, so he is assigned as the bag owner when his wrist overlaps the bounding box of the bag. Even if we have multiple persons on the scene, we still can assign the bag owner correctly. As shown here, the unattended time counting will be only triggered when the owner leaves the scene. If the owner returns to the scene during this time counting period, the counting will be cancelled as the bag is no longer unattended to minimize the false positive. So as you can see, when our system flags the baggage on the scene as unattended, the detection result is saved into our dashboard immediately, and a pop-up alert is shown in the dashboard to alert the security guard. So now let's go to our dashboard. So here's the pop-up that I mentioned just now. So he will show the most important information for the security guard to be aware of. So it's the image of the unattended bag, the location, like where it's been found, and the time, like at 11:31 AM. So this pop-up alert is very important for the security guard that without controlling any dashboard, it will just pop up immediately and automatically so that the guard can take the immediate action. So let me close this pop-up, and here is the home page. So home page will be showing all the unresolved unattended bag case so that the guard can only focus for those who haven't been resolved and we need to take immediate action. So as you can see, we have two cases here. One is at 10:59, another one is at 11:31, which is just now. So let's take the recent one as an example. So when we click the details, so here's the detail page of the unattended baggage detection. So it will show the information of the bag about. So the image as you see here is the image that we captured by our AI model and this is saved into our dashboard. So it shows here that the case open. Case open means it haven't been resolved, so the guard need to take immediate action for those unresolved case. And dangerous means that there is a high confidence level to say that okay, this bag is actually or the truly unattended bag. And also we have information about the location, like the CS school, first floor corridor, and the time, like at June 7, 2024. And also from which camera we also can know that, camera 1 USM. Okay, let's say the guard have already resolved this case, the bag has been taken, we can just close case. So we just need to click the close case button and it will show a pop-up. Do you sure you want to close? Just click confirm. So it will immediately refresh and it shows that okay, the case closed, we mean we have resolved this case. Okay, what if we want to reopen a case just in case for something like okay, the bag is actually haven't resolved yet, but we accidentally close it or the bag reappear again. We can restart case for this situation. We just click the restart and we just click confirm. So the case will be back to case open, so the guard need to take action to this case again. So for now we just go back to the closed case so that we just close the case. Okay, let's go back to the home page. So the home page, I already removed the latest unattended bag case as shown just now. It only showing the unresolved case. As I mentioned, this is to ensure that we have the minimal disruption to the security team so that they really focus to the one that can bring the impact to the public. So that's why it only left the one that had been unresolved here, as you can see. So next we go to the CCTV page. So CCTV show all the registered CCTV in our system that can perform the unattended baggage detection. Let's say I want to add a new CCTV here. I just click this button and I click the new add CCTV. Okay, so for here I just key in all the necessary information here. For example, I just click camera truth for the new camera names. So the stream URL is the RTSP stream for the IP camera. Of course, I don't have any access to the actual CCTV for the security problem or security issue, so I just put a dummy data here. Okay, and next is the area name, like where should I put this CCTV at. I just put it as a Max School. Okay, And the location description is the detailed location that we want to put. Maybe I just put it at 2nd floor. Okay, and also the long detail and latitude of the location and which zone. For now, we just put an USM. So if everything correct, just click submit. So the new CCTV added, the change will be reflected. As you can see, so we have a new added camera here, which is the max school. And we have a CS school that we have registered previously. So once we added more and more CCTV, so more area that we can perform the unattended baggage detection for the better security. Let's go to the archive page. So the archive page will show all the result that has been detected, regardless if it's closed case or open case, for the guard to make the decision making or even do the analysis for how often the bag is being found. Here, as you can see, you have all the detail like the time, from which CCTV, from which location, and the status and the major several type. This means that this is a crucial problem, so to put it as major. So you can see here, when we just hover or just click it, it will show the image of the unattended bag so that we can visualize really quickly. So here's the one and here's another one. This, as we only have two cases here. So this archive page is very useful when the security guard want to make any further decision making or further analysis for the bag found. And that's all for the dashboard. So this dashboard, it aims to really provide an automated streamlined pipeline and the protocol for the security guard to tackle with the unattended bag with the minimal disruption they can bring to the public.
In the world where safety and security are top priorities, this project showcases how AI can tackle the real-world problems heads-on. With your support, this innovative solution could revolutionize the security industry and create a new standard for the smart, efficient safety measures. Supporting this project means contributing to a safer community for everyone. The AI-enabled smart surveillance for unattended baggage detection system gives us a chance to build a more secure society, a safer public space at a time. Let's join forces to build a better future for the younger generations. Together, we have the power to make a difference and build a safer community that benefits all of us.